Welcome to Brain Vision.
Hi guys, let's solve problem 16.47. Is collision frequency the only factor that affects reaction rate? We know collision frequency is the measure of the total number of collisions between the reactant molecules. But not all the collisions result in reaction. Only some of the collisions result in reaction. And collision frequency is not the only factor that affects the reaction rate. There are two other factors that affect the reaction rate. Those are activation energy and orientation of molecules. Now, a collision is successful only if it takes place with a minimum energy, which is known as the activation energy. So the minimum energy with which the molecules collide and gives reaction is the activation energy. And also the reactant molecules must have to have a proper orientation for the reaction to take place. So for a reaction to occur, molecules need to have proper activation energy, proper orientation, and they need to collide, and these three factors affect the reaction rate.